something that's surrealistic, right? But then that surrealism might be absurdity, right? It may not be absurdity, it might be surreal. But what's fascinating about juxtaposition of incongruity is how there's always a comparison. The wave particle duality in light is a paradox, simultaneously dualistic. Hence the reason they call it the wave particle duality in light, because duality means rigid distinctions. Duality and contrast or polarity, they are a trichotomy. They share no commonality whatsoever. However, they share one subtle common.
Different controversies, conspiracies, speculations. I can determine, I don't know in that sense.
So don't use these terms interchangeably and out of context. And now, the juxtaposition of incongruity is the whole process of merging this incompatibility into some sort of cohesive phenomenon. So it's supposed to be contrast, but when you juxtapose them, there's a cohesiveness to this polarity. They become one, right? There might be polarity, coexisting polarity, or coexisting contrast, a contradictory, like the wave medium